Hello everyone and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I am popping on to complete my days for National Crochet Month. Yes, OTCS National Crochet Month. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's go with day 28. It was something I'm proud of. Well, I am proud of my retirement and doing 20 plus years in the military, in the United States Navy, and completing that service. Also, one thing that I forgot to mention when I went live today, which is Tuesday, that today is my Navy anniversary. Yes, it is. Woohoo! So that's something that I'm proud of. My grandson's birthday is also today as well. And I have 5 grandchildren. And my grandchildren, I am definitely proud of. And they each were born on or near a specific day that's meaningful to me. And today, my grandson was born on my Navy anniversary. Wow, what a blessing, right? I'm also proud of my children. I'm proud of my husband. And I'm also proud of you and all of your accomplishments. So, thank you, thank you, thank you. Day 29, newest make. Well, I just took a trip to celebrate Easter with one of my daughters. And hey, I don't have a newest make. I need to start on one. I plan on doing it, hopefully after this video. But I don't have anything on my hook. Everything that I've showed you up until now, you've already seen. So it's no need for me to show it again because it's no longer new. Let's move on to day 30. Frog. Oopsie daisy. Well, have I frogged anything? No. And can I frog anything? I really would not like to do that. I have some stuff. I have some whips on my hook that I could frog. But for this day 30, you'd have to pay me big bucks to frog something. All right. So that's going to be a no. Day 31 is anything. I can talk about anything. So I'm like, yay. All right. Well, I will start off by saying thank you and give a shout out to This Pixie Creates. She was the one that created the National Crochet Month challenge sheet that you saw and other people participated in. Thank you so much for This Pixie Creates for creating that so we could have an opportunity to do the challenge for this month. And I would like to do something special for the people that participated. That will be coming hopefully in the next day or two before my next trip. So I need to act fast, but I will throw that out there and say to all of those that participated in National Crochet Month, hashtag OTCS National Crochet Month. Greatly appreciate you for that. I will still be throwing that hashtag out for a few more days because I really would like for you to watch them or play their videos. All right, you can pull up the hashtag and go ahead and let those videos play. Give them a thumbs up. Do a quick comment. If you're crocheting, go ahead and watch them or play the video and listen to the different days so you can get to know them as creators, because some of the questions and some of the days really took a lot of foresight and thought on our parts on how we could tell you about ourselves and about our channel and maybe even about our life. So in order to get to know some of the content creators that you already are subscribed to know more about them, you can check out their videos. And for the new ones, the new content creators, or ones that have just started their channel, they don't have that many subscribers, you get to know them, more about them as well. Also, I'm very happy that Bag O' Day Crochet hit that 1 million. So I want to talk about that. That was very exciting. I'm like, woohoo. So I was thinking about all of the people in the yarn community that have 1 million. There aren't that many, but there are some. There are some. And there is, let me see, who is it? The Crochet Crowd. And what is that other lady? Hold on. I'll get right back to you. I had to look her up. Crochet for Baby. If y'all don't know Sarah, y'all need to go and check her out. She puts out videos in English and in Spanish as well. But I've done a number of her patterns. A lot of her baby patterns. Well, her channel name is Crochet for Baby. So, but anywho, I've done some of her blankets and some of her baby sets. They're very, very pretty. She's easy to follow. And if some of you all don't know her, y'all can go and check her out. But she is at 1.06 million. Hey, y'all, I found something to frog. Yes, I did. So something to frog. Froggy, oopsie daisy. I have done that before, and I don't like frogging. This was day 30. Something to frog. I'm telling you, I am a perfectionist, and I don't like messing up. I don't like messing up anything. And so when I do crochet, I try to make sure when I put that hook inside that I am not going to take it back out. Okay. And especially if I'm working with some type of really, really thin yarn, mohair, or some fine type yarn like that, one weight, lace weight, I do not want to frog it. So I just frogged all this for you. Okay, so let's jump back to day 31 when I was saying talk about anything. I do need to pick out my yarn for the Bag O' Day Crochet Cow. I have not done that, and I need to go ahead and order it now. I would like to use Chandy's yarn and get that pack of the Expression Fiber Arts. I would like to use one of those and just do the transition of color. I think that would be very, very pretty. And then it'll be easy because it's like all of the colors are there. You know, you just pick them up as you go. So let me know in the comments if you're going to do the Bag O' Day Crochet Cow, if you are going to have an opportunity to do it, and whether or not you selected your yarn yet. But I would like to use Chandy's yarn, but I don't know. I will be taking care of one of my grandsons, so I will definitely be off the grid for a few days. Just want to give you all a heads up. So if you don't see me on the YT streets, I'm okay. It will be just that I'm busy. I will be as busy as a bee. And then on top of that, crocheting and working on a commission piece. Or some commission pieces, because there are a few. But yes, that's pretty much it, I think, in a nutshell. I think I covered everything. I think I did. Unfortunately, I will not be able to do Veda. I will not be able to put out a video every day in the month of April because I'm just too busy. My schedule is really, really tight. I wish I could. Because I said, well, then I can just keep going, right? Since I did the month of March, I could do the month of April. But nah, I think I'll take a back seat and I'll watch you guys' videos. That's what I'll do. So you all have been great. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching my videos in full. Thank you for giving me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate you. And remember to live each day as if it were your last. I'll see you guys next time.